Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is one of the bonus videos that I have for you when it comes to the Pandahall supply haul things that I got. This is one of the pen blanks that I got in the haul, and I have put beads on it. It's a great way to use up some of your bubblegum beads that you don't have matches to, so you can't do a full necklace. That's what I love about this. This one is just an example. It's likely going to be going in my pen cup over there. So it's quick, easy, so simple, and I will show you guys how to do it. And these are great for craft shows or to give as gifts. This is the pen blank. It came in a little wrapper, and as you can see, there is a whole post here that needs to be filled. With the 20mm beads, it really only takes 3 beads. So it is quick, simple, easy. You can probably even get your kids to help you with this. Be a great craft to make with the kids. I have 3 beads here, 2 white ones, and then a striped bead that is close to the color of the pen, as close as I could get. These are the Pandahall white beads that I got. And the stripe one was just one that I had gotten from Etsy. And that's all you guys really do, is just thread the beads onto the post here. You want to make sure that the hole is wide enough to go through. If it is too small, you're not going to be able to get it through at all, period. Trust me, I have tried. And trying to ream out the beads with a bead reamer to try to get it thick enough is so hard. So you're just going to get all 3 beads on, take the little cap, and twist it on. And that's it, guys. Quick, easy. I love these pen blanks. They feel so smooth. I love the glittery texture to it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a really fine glitter in there. It's really pretty. Some of them are glittery that I got in the haul, and some of them are a nice matte color like this. But honestly, it's a good quality pen blank. I really do like it. I'm happy with these pen blanks. This one is going to end up going in my upcoming craft show. So I'm very excited about that. And honestly, if you want to get into making pens, this is a great way to buy the pen blanks. They are quality blanks. They feel just like ones that I've gotten before. This one I gotten from Amazon. The only thing I don't like about this is that the ones from Amazon, the top little cap, even though I'm using the same size beads, this post is smaller and the top cap doesn't quite latch on as well. The Pandahall ones, honestly, as you can see here, the post is slightly longer so that you can comfortably get the little end cap attached. The materials are quality. Honestly, 10 out of 10 would recommend these, and I would really recommend making these either to sell in craft shows or to give as gifts. They're great little fun gifts for teachers. Face it, every teacher needs a pen. Instead of giving them mugs or something for the end of the school year or teacher appreciation, these are a really great option for you. And the blanks that I got from Pandahall, I would really recommend. I'm going to leave those as well as links for beads that they have there down below as well. Make sure to show them some love and purchase. There is also going to be a 10% off coupon link down below that they provided for me. So make sure to use that. You can get 10% off of some really incredibly low prices already on the beads and blanks. So thank you guys for tuning in to a very quick, easy video. It's a little different than what I normally do, but where I do beaded necklaces, I wanted to do this to show you guys how to use up some of the extra beads that you might have. I have a whole bin full of extra beads that I have been saving for this to do. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down in the questions or comment section below. If you know somebody that might be interested in getting started with these, please share this video with them. If you have not subscribed already, please click this subscribe button. It's somewhere around here. Next to it is a bell button. Click that, set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.